Hey guys, so I'm back and here are my flexi rod positions. Anyway, basically I had to do this whole thing over again. So the video that you just saw was me doing it without any product, and basically I left it in for like an hour because I had to go somewhere and it was just a hot mess. So I decided to wait like a week, and I used my use the Malay, yes, but very little, and it seems to work a little bit better on straight hair. It didn't seem to frizz up my hair or like any water base or anything, but we'll see. I didn't take the hair out yet. And then I also used Jane Carter's styling cream from the front because I didn't want the front to be too heavy. I wanted it to still be fluffy, and I wasn't sure what the Malay product, Curl and Custard, the honey pomegranate, I think is the name of it. I didn't know what it was going to do, so we are going to take this out. And being that my hair was already straightened, I didn't need to like, okay, that came out okay. So since it was already straightened, I'm hoping that it'll still, you know, have a tamed curl. Because when your hair is natural and you try to do this, it's like, oh my gosh, please don't come out frizzy. Please don't come out frizzy. But I hope my hair is full enough, being that it was straight. So I'm just unraveling it in the same direction. And then I take my finger. And I don't need to use my hair oil for the strands. I'm going to put it in my scalp when I'm done, though. Because my hair is about like 2.5 weeks. It's going to be 3 weeks old. So I know that I'm getting dry scalp, and I didn't use my oil every day because I didn't want it to, my hair is already greasy. So there's no point of putting any oil in your hair if your hair is greasy. It wasn't dry. Alright, so I'm going to speed this up, and I'm just taking it and turning it with the curl so it can drop. Let me just do a couple more for you guys. Okay, that's coming out nice. Oh, I got a whole bunch in the middle. That's coming out really, really cute. I'm loving it. Oh, this is stuck under some hair. What the hell I got going on up here? That shit hurts. Excuse my language. Okay, got that out. Oh, yeah, I think, like I said in my other video, last week, that I am giving up this whole no heat thing. Alright, that one was a little chunky, but you get the point. And that's tangling up. Now, also, one thing about these flexi rods, these little plastic things sometimes get loose. You could just stretch it back out, but try your best not to get it tangled in the hair because you don't want to pull out any of your hair. You know what I'm saying? So, and I use different colors because depending on the length of the hair and the section, so the pink ones are a little smaller because if that was like the hair wasn't a whole bunch of hair. And if you decide to roll it any other way, just roll it back. Yeah, this Malay leaves it like really greasy. I feel my hair is like really greasy still. But that's all that I had, so, you know. Alright. So we are almost at the top, guys. Okay? Let me just take this out and see how it looks. Okay. The front came out nice. It's not greasy because I didn't use the Malay. Let's just hope it stays out of my eye. Okay. So I think I used maybe about 20 of these or more. And I didn't do small sections, like, because then my hair would be way too thin and it would be way, like, too oily looking. So I had to do them in chunks. And they were about, like, an inch in size chunks. So they're not, like, small, super small chunks or anything like that. Okay. Oh, we got one more left. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I feel that my roots got a little bit thicker for some reason. Alright. So now we are going to try to separate this to make it nice and full. And you're just gonna like just, you know, and if you notice that the curl reverts to the other side, just twist it back. Yeah, because you want to pull this apart. You don't want to just go outside looking like this, because then it's just going to be crazy. And I wanted to go to the pool today, but we shall see. We shall see. Alright, well that side didn't do so well. Yeah, and I'm just going to pull these apart. And then, you know, I just try to, like, pull initially, like, at least 3 to 4 strands from each curl. And then I go back if I notice I didn't do a section, and maybe, you know, do it a little bit more. Because you want it to be full and curly and bouncy. And then if you want to put like half up, half down. Yes. Alright now. Yeah, this one can go a little bit more in the front. I like my front nice and curly. See, I wish that I had a little bit more body back here, but my hair was straight, like I said. But it didn't turn out bad. It didn't turn out bad at all. One day I want to get it professionally done to see like what the hype is and to see if it's really going to make a difference. But I did not sit under the dryer. I slept with it overnight. So now the only thing with the Flexi rods and sleep, and I haven't mastered that yet. They said to put it in a pineapple bun, but that just seems like it's going to straighten some of the hair out anyway. So let me get the back of this. Alright. We are almost there. Okay. And then I just take my fingers. And since it's not fluffy, like my hair's straight, I don't know how. Alright. I'm just going to do this to wake the curls up. Wake them up. Oh. This isn't half bad. I'm hot. I'm sweating. Okay, this isn't half bad. This isn't half bad at all. This isn't half bad at all. Sorry, I don't know what I was doing. Ha! This really isn't half bad at all. I'm feeling the curls. I'm loving it. The volume is, you know, could be more, but what am I supposed to get when I have, like, fine hair? And, you know, and it was straight. But I'm loving this. Yes, this is my Flexi Rod set. So I use purple, pink, and, sorry, gray, pink, and purple, and blue. So I use a variety of different colors. But if you have long hair, I suggest you going with like the long ones. If you have short hair, you can go with the short ones. As you can see the difference in size. Because your hair is going to either be too, if you want it like really tight or whatever, but I did it like along the, Flexi on the long Flexi Rod, so I wanted it to have more length than actually be tighter curled. But anyway, it was great. Oh, and don't forget, I gotta use my hair oil. That way my dandruff doesn't show. Okay, this is my herbal infused hair oil. It is amazing on natural hairstyles with braids. I just put the tube and press the top, and then bam, it's in my scalp. Scalp gets nice moisturized, and it has wonderful herbs. Just massage it like this a little. Man, it adds shine, and it softens the hair too. It's amazing. I love it. Alright, and we have it on our site, on my site I should say, mercycouturewigs.com. Anyway guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you love this video. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And stay tuned for the next video. Later.